still there. It feels warm, human, and yet the pixels slide under my skin like they're waiting for instructions. Did I design this, or did it design me? Every square, every line, my code, my fault. I can cover it up during the day, pretend it's...
What in the world? They're moving by themselves? That's not possible. Whoa! They're dancing! This type's alive! Amazing! I can't believe what I'm seeing!
Intruder detected. Elimination initiated.
What? Wait, who's talking?
Target locking. Stand by for engagement.
No! This has to be a glitch!
Elimination sequence at 90%.
I can't just stand
Engagement
here!
imminent.
Count at least 200.
200 and climbing. Buildings emptying them like a hive.
We hold the line until the window opens. Stay close.
Close as I can get.
They're gaining on us!
Calculating escape vector. Keep running.
Got no plans to stop!
Bridge ahead. 3 meters drop. Jump on my mark.
Ready!
Mark.
Not slowing down till we're clear!
Then keep moving.
Wasn't here before. Come on, think. There's gotta be a route. Damn it. Not now. Not now.
Where am I? Everything looks like a comic. Is this webtoon world? Guess I'll have to find a way home.
Master Code sends his regards and his warnings. Stand aside or...
Lines. Curves. Anchor points. Stay sharp. Precision is everything. Let's draw. Gotcha. Target neutralized. Alright, show me the way. Running probabilities. Come on. There, that's the path. Locked and loaded. Time to move.
Path looks clear for 8 tiles. I'll scan ahead. Red prisms, 2 o'clock. Let's skirt around them. Zigzag route uploaded. Stay close. Data shard collected. Nice.
Welcome to AdWorld. And endless deals, infinite fun, and colors you can taste. Keep your eyes open, something new is always popping up. Lights, sound, offers, they're all for you. Dive in.
Obey. Silence. You will break. I am Master Code. Submit. Error is you. No escape. Quiet. Obey. Master Code commands.
Every word has weight. I'm ready to use them. Your perfection, a flaw hiding an error. Shatter the illusion. Perfection is a lie.
What's happening up there?
Warning. Master code system compromised. Core failure detected. Countdown initiated.
This can't be good.
Keep moving! The chaos is buying me seconds. That light, there's the access port. Almost there. Just a little faster. No turning back now.
It's reacting. Keep your focus.
I see it. Just need the lock to break. There.
Beautiful work, Glitch.
Couldn't have mapped it without you.
Then let's finish this together.
Right behind you.
Behold my final architecture, limitless, flawless. Every code, every choice, every spark of thought now belongs to me. Neo, you are an error. Delete.
What?
You are an error. Delete.
Not yet.
Delete.
My hand's shaking again. The weight of everything I dreamed of. It's right here. I was afraid I'd drop it. Afraid I'd fall short. This time, the fear feels lighter. Because inside this file isn't just proof of what I can do. It's proof of why I started.
My intention cannot be